sabihin niya dito sa harap. Dito sa harap.
Tell lang. Suit. Okay, so table 203 daw. Yeah, I'm hungry.
I was gonna get food. I actually have to bring my...
So, magsasalad muna ako, syempre. So, ito muna kakainin ko. Yung mga desserts. Display lang pala yung mga macaron na yan. Okay. Akala ko ba hindi ka magaganyan, magmamaki?
Who said?
Ha?
Who said?
Kasi you're gonna get full right away.
Who said? So I was gonna eat. I really am gonna eat.
Okay, fine.
Wala pa? Ayun o. Ayun o. Ito. Ito talaga paborito ko ng buffet. But have you seen it?
Okay. Kuha na ako ng food ko. Japchae. Sisig rice and this is stuffed squid. Ito parang gusto ko to. O tara, samahan ka ta. Sa dulo daw. Wait, kuha muna ako ng food. Ito, I like this. Ayaw mo to? Try mo to? Sweet and sour pork. Sarap to. Sarap to. I'll try. This is good actually. Ito. Yan siya. Ito masarap to. Pork asado. You wanna try that? Moroccan chicken.
Nakakain mo na ako.
want? Sa'yo daw, medium well ka or what? Ganyan na. Thank you. Vegetable gratin. That is.
Ano mo ba't may signal? Yun. Ano mo ba't may signal?
Ito. Ano yan? Oh, kuha ako. Ayan. Yan ang food ko.
Diyan ka na lang.
So, another after because you don't want to study. Because I don't like the teacher.
Let's eat.
Of course.
I do not know what
Yan, that's my food. Wala akong rice. Nagsalad lang ako. Tapos, halo-halong karne.
Sarap ng roast beef.
Ito, ano to eh. Kumuha kayo ng ganito. Ano tawag dito? Sweet and sour.
Yeah, I have.
Sarap siya. Ito yata, lechon kawali ito. Nakuha ko na to. You wanna try?
Yo, girl.
Yan yung lechon kawali.
Ano?
Doon banda.
So, Japanese, di ba?
Ito, I got, stuffed squid. Ayan, oh. Ooh, stuffed squid.
I got a bit of
Wala ako pipila pa.
Ito yung roast beef. Yeah. Okay. Shrimp tempura. Okay. Let's get some cheese. Parang gusto kong kumain ito. So, naghahanap ako ng sugar-free na drink. Ito meron. Yan, I got na. Lagyan ko ng ice. Okay, I feel like eating siomai. Sorry. Need to get a plate.
Hindi, ali-ali ako.
Walang tirami.
Red wine.
Yes.
Parade of cakes. Wow.
Well, I can't wait to have my cake. Dami pa lang my birthday.
Daming my birthday.
Oh my God. Joke lang. Happy birthday. Oh, it has sparks.
Ano ka, oh?
Picture.
Ito gusto ko. Tiramisu. Banana crumble. That room. ubusin lahat yan.
Busa ng mga cherry.
Dami, grabe.
This is much.
Huh? Oh my God, may bibingka ka pa?
Sarap pa yung bibingka.
Hindi mo kayang ubusin yan, hoy. Alam mo, feel ko magputo bongbong. Wait, I'm gonna eat. Tignan ko yung ice cream. Yeah. Thank you. Ayan, so nag-hot water na ako kasi para pampatunaw ng mga kinain. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Bye! This is Nell. Guys, we're leaving na. Busog na, busog.